Today I'm going to show you how to chiffonade herbs. Chiffonade is a fancy name for cutting the herb into strips. So here is an herb cutter, and basically it's a pair of scissors that has several blades. And the part here on the top is important because this is how you're going to get the herb leaves from the blade. So what you can do is take your washed herbs, in this case it's mint, and slowly cut it into strips like this. And those leaves that are stuck, you use the top of the sheath and just push it out. And here you have your strips of herbs. If you don't have an herb cutter, there are several ways you can cut it with just a knife. So chiffonade means to make it into chiffon, which is a type of fabric. So here are your leaves. Depending on how you want it to cut it, you can either cut it into strips that go across the vein or along the vein. But what you'll do is roll it up like a cigar and then slice it. And use a very sharp knife, because a friend told me that if your knife isn't sharp, the leaves tend to bruise. So once it's unfurled, it's like a strip. You can also do it with this other one, and we'll do it along the vein. So I'll roll it up along the vein here and then cut it with a knife, and in this way you'll have longer strips. And there you go. Hope this helps, and now you know how to chiffonade herbs.